In this video, we're being asked to try to show triangle ABY congruent to triangle ACX. So ABY is going to be that triangle right there, and ACX is going to be the one that looks kind of like its counterpart right there. Okay. First thing we know is angle 1 is congruent to angle 3, and then the AB is congruent to AC. What I suggest doing, and because I know that those are the triangles I'm trying to prove, I would maybe try to tear these triangles apart. You know, this triangle here. Maybe bring that out. And then this triangle here, ACX, do the same thing with it. So I bring those two triangles out. Now if I overlap them, you see that you start off with, you start to get that picture that we start with. And I'm just going to, as I learn things about this, I'm going to fill that information into both parts here. But I know that AB was congruent to AB. That was given to us. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 1. Or sorry, angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. That's given as well. Okay. The next thing I want to do, there's no vocabulary words in my given information, so I start to look at my picture and start to think, what is hiding in my picture? If you call this angle A, this one B, and this one, that's Y. This is A, X, and C. Okay. If I start to overlap these two pictures, what angle overlaps? Hopefully you recognize that angle A was overlapping angle A when we did that. Okay, A on top of A. So A is a or is an angle in both these triangles. So I'm going to say angle A congruent to angle A. That's your reflexive property. So now I've got this. And then step 3, I've got angle side angle. It's pretty easy. Triangle ABY is going to be congruent to triangle ACX by angle side angle. Okay, it's a 3-step proof. It's not very hard unless you. I'm sorry. It's not very hard, but it's more difficult if you would have left these triangles in the picture and tried to deal with your information that way, because you're going to start to see things overlapping, you get confused, what's congruent to what. Break those triangles apart, list the information and then use this picture here in combination with that picture to see if you can prove what they're asking. Okay, so essentially sometimes it's better to tear the triangles apart and work from there.